I was saying that I'm Prabhat Kumar and I have over 16 years of experience. So I have experience both as software professional as well as instructor, trainer, and coach. Okay, so I have worked in software for more than 14 years, and after that, I decided that I will be in the training industry and I will be teaching and coaching students as well as professionals so that they can make better future as far as earnings are concerned, as far as knowledge is concerned. So both ways. So I am working in this direction. So you can see my profile if you will check my profile on LinkedIn or some other portals. You will find that I am a CFA, but though I have never practiced as a CFA or as a something as I'm not SEBI authorized person who can give instructions on which stocks to invest in and which stocks not to invest in. But I have multiple degrees in finance. Even I have degrees from NSC. So that's how I can guide people in finance. But uh, all over the years, as I stayed in various companies like TCS, Cognizant, Wipro, and later with Maybank, and I worked with various other banks like Credit Suisse and UBS. Those kind of banks I worked with. So in all these roles, I majorly played as a technical player. So I was business analyst and I also worked as technical business analyst. And in my last role, I worked as lead, project lead, and I worked on data science project that was also known as emotional engine project. So here we have gathered just to understand more about this version of Prabhat. So Prabhat, as my name tells, you can see this Prabhat has multiple versions. One version related to finance, one version related to testing, one version related to data science, and all these things. So here we are talking about my last project that I worked in Maybank, and there I have worked on emotional engine project, which I led this project. And in this project we dealt with AI ML in greater depth. Okay, so when we were analyzing this project initially, we were thinking about how to get the data from different sources and all. When it was in the midway, we were just figuring out various models for different algorithms, and ultimately we joined together everything and delivered the project. So in the complete project's life cycle, we went through so many.
Recording in progress.
In the entire project life cycle, we went through so many processes, so many hurdles, and we overcome all these things and finally delivered the project. So this is how i I conceptualized machine learning initially in my project. That was machine learning based project, emotional engine, which is nothing but the recommendation project. So that was all about me. I think I have explained a lot. So now it's time for you to elaborate little bit about yourself. You just tell me like from which college you are, which place, and which branch you are working on, means which branch you are studying, and any other experiences related to Python or machine learning that you have. Okay, just you can speak up a little bit about yourself. Yeah, thank you. I'm waiting for you. Anybody first?
Good afternoon, sir.
Yeah. Hi, Pallavi.
My
Yeah.
name is Pallavi, and I am pursuing civil engineering in University Vishwesvaraya College of Engineering, and I
Okay.
am from Bangalore.
Okay.
So, I know Python basics. So, I'm studying basics.
Python basics you understand, okay, and you're
Yes.
studying that. Okay, so today's session, last time when I conducted the session, it was more or less focused on Python, but I came to know that it was only for 4 hour session, and after 4 hours I never met the batch, that batch again. So now I am meeting the new batch. So I have been told that each of these batch is independent batch, and they are having only 4 hour session on AI ML. So that's why I decided that my format of training will be slightly different. I will talk about Python, but I will not teach Python. Rather, in 4 hours, I will be talking about machine learning, and I will try to make you understand what machine learning is. So that you understand some algorithms in a detail, and you can figure it out, like which path you have to go. Okay, so it's more like career path that you will be finding, like which career path to take in machine learning, data science, artificial intelligence, or any other related field like data engineering, all these things. So this 4 hours session should be more interactive, rather than just like I am teaching and you are just understanding those things which I am teaching. It should be more interactive. You should be asking more questions, like based on your appetite, like what is your way of thinking, way of working, way of studying, which subjects you should be studying. And in the process you will also learn machine learning, what is machine learning, what is deep learning, what is all these things. So we'll also learn all these things. At the same time we'll also focus on your career guidelines, like you will be able to choose which path you have to go. So that's what you can give your introduction, and you can tell me clearly, like which branch you are in, right? Okay, next person.
May I?
Yeah.
Okay. Sorry. Good afternoon, sir. My
Yeah.
name is Priyanka Kuvar, and
Yeah.
I'm about to enter into the final year in my BTech.
Okay.
My branch is computer engineering, and I'm from Dhule. SSVPS Babu Sahib Shivajirao Devre College of Engineering.
Okay.
Uh, and sir, I'm familiar with the languages like C, C++, Java, and Python, and basics of only heard about the Django. And yeah, I'm familiar with the theory of machine learning, a theory part of ML.
Yes. Yes. Okay. So you know so many different languages in, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay, that's really great that you know, because uh, for example, if you'll talk about me, I know Hindi, English as a general language, and when it comes to computer programming language, I have gone through. I have worked with 4 5 languages so far, not more than that, ever since my college days. But it's still okay. I know 4 5 languages in computer programming languages, and regarding normal verbal language, if you talk, I know only Hindi and English. That's it. But there are many people you will find. There are many people you will find that they know so many languages, right? One person knows 10 languages. They can speak in 10 languages. They can write in 10 languages, and then there are many people who know many programming languages also. So programming languages is not difficult. If you are good in one programming language, you can become good in any programming language. So programming language is not a challenge for anybody, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Okay, so programming language is not a challenge for anyone. That's what I'm saying. So it's good. But if it comes to machine learning, deep learning, and all those things, so here you have to be very much selective whether you have to go in machine learning, deep learning related things or not, or you have to be here. In any other domain. Okay, so that is something where you will have to choose, and people should give room for people to choose their field, right? Because machine learning, deep learning is changing the world, but UI UX or some other things or any other programming that you do, that might not be changing the world. So this is important to know, like what you are meant for. So you should be knowing yourself. Okay, so next person.
Sir, may I?
Yeah.
Good afternoon, sir. I am Yashika. I'm currently pursuing computer science, my BTech in computer science and engineering from Bharati Vidya College of Engineering, New Delhi. I'm doing my specialization in AI ML only. And
Okay.
recently I've been selected for Amazon ML Summer School. So yeah, in that also I'm gaining in-depth knowledge of ML and DL.
Yes, yes. Okay, that's great. Hmm. Okay, Yashika, so you must be interactive here, and you should give some input to rest of the people also, right?
Sure, sir.
Yeah. Okay. And any more, the last, any more people who want to give their introduction?